Hey, great to see you. We're just here at the Centrico Boat Show to launch our new product, Journey to Safety. So we've spent the last 5 years developing this for charter boats and super yachts, mainly domestic commercial vessels, sort of Sydney Harbour, Gold Coast, Airlie Beach and Cairns are our primary areas. After 5 years or 10 years of working as a marine insurance broker, you start to identify where the problems are, and rather than providing, making people go on insurance claims, we're actually providing solutions to prevent them from happening in the first place. So with the 12 steps, basically captains have sort of agreed, and this is what they've been looking for to enable them to run a safe operation. We're getting some really great feedback from the charter operators and from the super yacht captains and owners as well. We've got a team of 4 now in Sydney that are rolling this product out. We're focused 100% of our time now on safety management and training, which is really exciting. In particular, the vessel risk report, that's where we start the process. A lot of the clients we know already, been working with them for some years, but this allows us to really get an overview of where the vessel's at in terms of their safety, their procedures, their training, and then from there we develop a plan specifically or tailor-made for that vessel to make sure that we step through each of those areas and make sure they have the appropriate procedures and training in place. And then we follow that up normally in the first year, every month, just to make sure that things are understood and things are being worked on an operational basis. We quite often, and then we'll go back, each year to develop the next year's program. So it's a journey to safety, so it does take some time to get through all these things. Some of them might have the first few steps, the safety management system, risk assessments. They all need these, but they may not be refined or they may not work practically. So we work with them live doing drills to make sure that they are working correctly and effectively. And then, some of the more developed vessels, we then move on to more in-depth things, contingency planning, and some of the culture as well. So there's a lot of different boats, different cultures. I've worked on many boats, and certainly the captain often dictates the culture on the boat. So we talk about that with the owners and the captains and the crew to make sure that it's working for people. And I think over time we're seeing that the crew culture is a very important thing. So thank you, good to chat.